Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June 30th, 2021. You guys can see the top left side of my screen what we are going to talk about on today's video. We're going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for VeChain. You guessed it. Yes, we're going to give you a price prediction. We're going to tell you where we're expecting the market price to go so that you and I can get in position and win. So let's talk about this real quick. Before I break down our last price prediction of VeChain and then tell you all we're expecting the price to go into the future, make sure hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to join our community. If not, we understand, right? We understand. But being a part of our community has its perks. It has its benefits. And one of them is being notified. Someone actually telling you where they're expecting the price to go, so that you can't be surprised, so that you can't be all confused as to what occurred into the market, because we already saw that. If you want to be in the know, then you have to subscribe to our channel and follow us. Join this massive community. Okay, so now real quick, VeChain. Last time we did our price prediction in VeChain was on May the 31st. So I'm gonna zoom in right there around May 31st so you can see what we talked about and what our expectations were. Okay, because we was looking for VeChain to go higher in price. Right now, we wasn't extremely bullish, and you can see literally the same day, even on the 1st of June, the market in VeChain has taken out our ultimate TP price, which is 13 cents. We wasn't greedy, because you can tell that even amongst our prediction at 13 cents, VeChain topped out around 15.5. So we was pretty close. We was already in position to see VeChain hit that top level, right? We was around that same vicinity. We didn't tell you that we was looking for the market price in VeChain to hit 16, to hit 18, or even 20 cents, because we realized that the next area from where price was when we did our prediction was right there at 13 cents to see more selling, and that is precisely what he did. Okay, so congratulations, 14.23% was taken away from the trap, given right back to our account. I don't care about anybody else in the market. I don't care about retail traders. I don't care about hedge funds, big institutions. The one I care about is the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen, because he directs the market. You need to pay attention to what he does. Don't pay attention to retail traders. Don't pay attention to these massive banking financial institutions, JP Morgan, Chase, Goldman Sachs, Merrill Lynch, all of these hedge funds, all of these banks. You don't need to pay attention to them, because they also is looking at what the trap is going to do. Okay, I'm just telling you. So now let's take that away. Let's get rid of this line right here. And I wanted to show you, first of all, that I'm going to extend this out, right? This horizontal line right here, I'm just going to extend it out. And I want to show you that it still played a very important role in VeChain's price. Just take a look at this. This is not, osmosis. These things just don't happen by coincidence. They have a purpose. Every price bar, every volume bar we see, even where price goes, has a purpose. You need to see it as such. This is an actual language to how the market operates. Okay, look at that. The last 2 days in VeChain, which is inclusive of the current trading day, you guys can tell that the market is finding restriction right around this area. 9 cents, 10 cents, right? It's not by coincidence. So for this video, we simply need to make a determination if price has the ability to break above that restriction line. That's it. Because if so, we know already that the price is going to come right around this vicinity right here. That is where we're going to trade. And I can see already that 10 cents is that location that we're hitting as restriction. I mean, I can even show you that area. So let me do that. Because it started all the way back here in March. That is the second area of restriction. Who would have known that what happened in March, that it would be impactful today? That's what most people don't understand and realize, is that we'll be able to utilize this historic information to our benefit. So we need to make a determination if VeChain is going to be able to break above 9 cents, 10 cents. And if the probability is great, then we already need to predict that price is going to go higher. That's it. So let's see if that probability of VeChain breaking above 9 cents, 10 cents is great. Okay, this is the 3-day time frame, and the last 3-day price bar, okay, right here substantiates that, yeah, there's still a pretty good chance that we can see the price in VeChain break above 9 cents, 10 cents. It is there, but we have to be understanding that the market in VeChain is still in a downtrend. So we're not going to be overly greedy because the price has been going down. We are just simply bouncing in the market. The market is bouncing from support of around 6 cents and lifting off from there. Now let's do it. I like the 3-day time frame in VeChain for us to see higher price. The 5-day time frame looks pretty good as well. So let me take this back over to the daily. Well, I want to see the 2-day time frame first. Okay, yeah, I do like the 2-day time frame as well. So take this back over to the daily time frame. And first things first, right? We need to be cognizant. That's why I wanted to show you 10 cents. It's because that's the next area of restriction, or the next place that we can see the market in VeChain actually come back down and see more selling. So we need to skim off some profitability right there, period. We have to. That's just only logical. That's only smart to take some profitability off the table around 10 cents. Now, when I look at this on the 3-day though, okay, outside of 10 cents, we can see the price of VeChain come up right there towards 10, maybe almost 11 cents. That's about it. You can also see on the 3-day time frame that VeChain is in a slight uptrend. Boom, right there. So we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in VeChain. First things first, TP is around 10 cents. Our support area is going to be around 7. So we're going to continue to watch this price trade in VeChain until either price breaks below 7 cents. And it will have to be weakness, right? If I still see weakness in VeChain on this support area around 7 cents, then yeah, we need to cut the prediction loose and move on, because the market's going to go a lot lower than that. But if we see strength coming to the market right there around 7 cents, then we know that we're still in position to see this market of VeChain go higher. First area TP right there around 10 cents. Next one's around 11. And that's it. So now we're in position. I want to give you all the opportunity to call the markets too, though, right? We all need to learn this for ourselves specifically, because there are no friends in the market, and you're part of our community now. So we're here to help. We're here to assist you in your journey as to calling the market and understanding where price is going to go. So you want to join us, drop a comment in that comment section and tell me, where do you all think the price in VeChain is going to go? Let's do the next 4 weeks. Where will price be? You guys can already tell our expectations, not hiding anything from our community. So now tell us, where do you see price going? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.